Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to clean Audi A4 engine bay easy guide. Start by disconnecting the battery, covering sensitive electronics with plastic, and using a gentle degreaser to break down grime. Agitate stubborn spots with a soft brush, rinse carefully with low-pressure water, and dry components with compressed air or microfiber towels. Reconnect the battery when everything is dry and inspect for missed spots before a short test run. Start by shielding air intakes and electronics with plastic bags or cling wrap and tape, keeping grease out of delicate areas. Spray a pH-neutral degreaser evenly, let it sit for a few minutes, then scrub with a soft brush or detailing brush. Use a hand pump sprayer or low-pressure hose to rinse, avoiding high-pressure jets. Repeat on stubborn grease patches, then dry with microfiber towels and compressed air for crevices. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more car care tips. On another note, those socks I wore while cleaning kept my feet comfy. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider grabbing a pair for workshop days. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. After cleaning, treat rubber hoses and plastic trim with a dedicated protectant to restore appearance and prevent cracking. Apply the dressing sparingly to avoid sling onto belts and pulleys, and wipe excess away. Inspect belts, clamps, and fluid caps for leaks, or wear while the bay is clean. Regular quarterly cleaning keeps corrosion down and makes spotting issues easier, so schedule brief checks after long trips or seasonal changes periodically.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.